Let's look at the 3 fundamentals of money management. Number 3, make your money work for you. One of the most important aspects of money management is making your money work for you. There are a number of different ways to do this, but some of the most effective include investing in stocks, real estate, and other appreciating assets. The reason it's so important to make your money work for you is that it allows you to grow your wealth without having to actively work for it. This can provide a significant source of passive income that can help you reach your financial goals. Additionally, making your money work for you can help to hedge against inflation and other economic downturns. By diversifying your sources of income, you can ensure that you'll always have money coming in, even if one or more of your investments drops in value. Ultimately, making your money work for you is one of the smartest things you can do with your finances. It's a great way to grow your wealth while minimizing risk. Number 2, be prepared for emergencies. Unexpected expenses can pop up at any time, and it's important to be prepared for them. Job loss, medical bills, car repairs, these are all examples of situations where an emergency fund can come in handy. An emergency fund is a savings account that is used specifically for unexpected expenses. It's a key component of any financial plan, and it can help to reduce stress and anxiety in the face of an unexpected setback. One of the benefits of an emergency fund is that it can help you to avoid going into debt. If you don't have the money to cover an unexpected expense, you may be forced to put the charges on a credit card. This can quickly lead to a cycle of debt that can be difficult to break free from. Another benefit of an emergency fund is that it can give you peace of mind. Knowing that you have a cushion to fall back on in case of an unexpected expense can help you to relax and enjoy your life without worrying about what might happen if something goes wrong. If you don't have an emergency fund, now is the time to start one. Begin to set aside a few dollars each week, and before you know it, you'll have a nest egg that will give you the peace of mind that comes with being prepared for the unexpected. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, have a budget and stay organized. One of the most important aspects of money management is to have a budget and stay organized. Having a budget helps you to track your income and expenses so that you can make informed financial decisions. It also allows you to allocate your resources in a way that aligns with your financial goals. For example, if you are trying to save for a down payment on a house, you will need to make sure that your budget reflects this goal. Similarly, if you are trying to pay off debt, you will need to budget accordingly. Staying organized with your finances is also critical to maintaining a healthy financial life. This means keeping track of bills, payments, and other important financial documents. When everything is organized and in one place, it is much easier to stay on top of your finances and make smart money management decisions. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.